opening shot is gonna be... No. Almost. Boom. Hello everyone. This video is inspired by a student of mine, Zach. Zach has been coming to my Lego classes for about 2 years now. Every single time we use a Lego motor, he asks the same thing. Teacher, can we break it open, see what's happening inside? Well, Zach, this video is for you. So I've got a broken Lego motor here. It's the M motor. And finally, we are going to go inside and see what is happening. You can see here that the Lego motor is held in place with a very small screw. This screw needs to come out, and then we are going to push down on this tab here and this tab here. Inside, I am expecting that we will see some gears, we will see the actual mechanical motor, but there's only one way to find out. Let's get started by taking off this screw at the back. I have the world's tiniest screwdriver, and I'm just gonna stick it in there. It does take a bit of force, especially if it's the first time you're opening it, but I did test it already, so this one is coming quite easily. We can pull out our screw like that. It starts to come off. We just need to put a little bit of pressure on these tabs here. Don't rush it, go nice and slowly, carefully.
Approximately 10 hours later.
Oh, there we go. I'm gonna put it back together the way it would have been inside. This is the inside of your Lego motor. Let's go through it step by step. First of all, on the front here, we have the axle socket. This is where we can connect Lego axles inside like this. When I turn that, it's really hard to turn because I have to push against the magnets inside the motor. So under the axle socket, as I lift it off, there are 4 gears. We have 3 white planetary gears and then an orange main drive gear inside. The planetary gears give our Lego motor more torque. Torque is strength, turning power. If I use my pliers, I can lift up those gears and take them out one by one. So starting with this first planetary gear, then I'm going to get the second planetary gear here and the third one. I can lift up the main drive gear inside, and let's see what's hiding underneath it. Wow, we have some more planetary gears inside. So there are 6 planetary gears in total. And the center drive gear now we are seeing is from the motor itself. It is the drive shaft, and it is made out of metal, so it is very strong. I can take out those planetary gears as well. Now, you will see when you open it up, there will be some oil on the gears. So be careful not to get that on your clothes or anything like that. Your mom will be killing me. Don't try this at home unless your motor is broken. We don't want to break a working motor. Now I can take off the plastic casing and see the motor inside itself. Let's take the motor out of the casing. So I'm going to use my pliers and just pull ever so gently until it comes out. This is the DC motor itself. DC means it uses batteries, not plugged into the wall. And we can see on top that our notoriously easy to break Lego cable is connected on 2 sides. That will be the positive and the negative side through this frame here. I'm not going to break it any further because later I will be trying to repair this motor, but there you go. So what's inside a Lego motor? We have 6 planetary gears, a DC motor and a housing for them, along with the axle socket. I hope that answers your question, Zach. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Put this back together. Doing.